So I'm going to try and draw three different exponential graphs. I'm going to try and draw y equals 3 to the power of x, y equals 3 to the power of negative x, and y equals negative 3 to the power of x, all on the same graph so you can see the differences. Let's start with 3 to the power of x. So what I know about this graph is it goes through this point here at 1, and it also goes through 1, 3. And from that, I need to be able to draw a smooth exponential curve. Oh, I could probably work out 2 as well. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Actually, I got it pretty darn close. Going to go through there, and then it's going to come up. Whoops. Might be easier to do that with my ruler, actually, to make sure I stay up high enough. It's not actually straight. It curves downwards a little bit, but it's the best I can do by hand, like so. So that is 3 to the power of x. What about 3 to the power of negative x? Well, that's going to flip it horizontally. So that means it's still going to go through this point here. It's going to go through this point here, negative 1, 3. And for what it's worth, negative 2 and 9. So let's see if I can draw a nice smooth exponential curve through there. It's supposed to be a curve coming down no lower than about that, like so. And that is 3 to the power of negative x. Okay, what about negative 3 to the power of x? Notice the way we're doing that, by the way. This negative applies to the whole thing. So it's not negative 3 to the power of x, it's negative 3 to the power of x. So a negative sign out the front flips the curve over the x-axis, flips it vertically. So it's going to go through this point and then 1, negative 3. Sorry, that wasn't right. This point, not that one. 0, negative 1. 1, negative 3, 2, negative 9. Now I'm going to try and draw a nice smooth curve going no higher than about that. So we're going to come up here and we're going to start to curve towards there. And that is negative 3 to the power of x.